In this video, we'll explore the checkbox widget. A checkbox becomes handy when you want to set up a yes, no, true, false or on-off toggle in your field in Mergin Maps. Let's first create the fields in the attribute table for which we want to use the checkbox widget. A checkbox widget can be configured for the Boolean data type and the text data type, but the behavior is different. Here I first create a field checkbox with the Boolean data type. I create a second one with the text data type. In the attributes form, for the checkbox with the Boolean data type, QGIS will by default assign the checkbox widget. With the Boolean data type, you don't have control on changing the checked and unchecked state, so true or false are automatically assigned and grayed out. So here also for display settings it doesn't matter what you choose. The checkbox can also be used with text fields. Then you have to change the text edit widget, which is by default assigned, to the checkbox widget. In this case we can fill in what the checked state is and what the unchecked state is. In this case I type yes for the checked state and no for the unchecked state. Under display settings I choose stored values. In this way it will show yes or no instead of true or false. Let's check the result on the mobile phone in the Mergin Maps app. There we see that with the Boolean checkbox I can toggle from false to true and vice versa, and with the checkbox in string format I can toggle from no to yes. I keep it now at true for the checkbox and no for checkbox string. Now let's have a look in QGIS after synchronization. In the attribute table, checkbox is checked and checkbox string is unchecked. Checkbox stores true and checkbox string stores no.